Have you ever paused and asked yourself, what is it that thinks my thoughts? What is it that feels my emotions? Is it truly me? Or is there something deeper, something older, more silent, more infinite, watching from within? The Bhagavad Gita, one of the most profound spiritual dialogues known to humanity, and says, "Na jayate mriyate va kadachin nayam bhutva bhavita va na bhuya. Ajo nitya shashvatoyam purano na hanyate hanyamane sharire." The soul is never born, nor does it ever die. It is unborn, eternal, beyond time. At first this sounds poetic, maybe even mythological. But then comes quantum physics, and with it a radical realization that everything we perceive as physical is, at its core, non-physical. That matter itself is not solid, that particles behave differently depending on whether or not they're being observed. That consciousness, the very act of observing, plays a fundamental role in how reality unfolds. This is known as the observer effect. A particle exists in multiple possibilities until someone observes it. The act of watching collapses the wave into a fixed state. Observation creates reality. Now pause, think back to Arjuna, standing on the battlefield. He was not just facing an army, he was observing his entire life. And in that observation, something shifted. His identity began to dissolve, and in that sacred breakdown, the Gita was born. Observation, not action, began his transformation. Krishna in the Gita speaks not just to Arjuna, but to something in all of us, to the witness within, the one who is never disturbed, wounded, the one who watches all experiences, all sensations, all thoughts, yet remains unchanged. Krishna says, "I am seated in the heart of all beings." Modern physics, too, speaks of a unified field, a sea of potential, infinite and interconnected, in which everything exists. Particles are not truly separate. They are entangled, influenced across time and space. We are not islands. We are waves in one ocean. Could it be that what Krishna calls the self and what quantum physics calls the field are simply two names for the same presence, not metaphor, not coincidence, but convergence? And now the question is no longer, what is consciousness? The real question is, can you observe the observer? Can you become aware of that silent presence within you that has never changed, never aged, that was there when you were 5 and is still here, watching, even now? When you recognize that stillness, you begin to loosen the grip of identity. You're no longer just your name, your job, your memories. You are awareness itself. And once you know that, karma can no longer bind you, because karma only sticks to the one who forgets they are free. This is the journey of the Quantum Gita, where the eternal wisdom of ancient India meets the daring questions of modern science. In the next chapter of this journey, we'll explore karma, memory, and the mystery of time. Until then, watch, breathe, be the witness. You are far more than you've ever imagined.